Having just been to the secret Gili's, in this video we head to one of the better known ones, Gili Air, for great food, sunset drinks, watching the locals fishing, and best of all, amazing snorkeling with turtles. In the taxi, we made it to Bangsal Harbour, where you get the boats over to the Gilis. Don't make the mistake we did, which unfortunately I've lost the footage on film, but it's a bit of a scrum when you get there. There's lots of people shouting at you to go into various offices and buy tickets. We made the mistake of doing that rather than sticking to our guns and going to the public boat office, which is what we'd intended to do, and ended up paying a fair bit more than we needed to. Not a massive deal, but if you're on a tight budget, just be careful. We safely arrived in the harbour in the south and had about a 15-minute walk to our hotel, which is in the middle of the island, but everything is very walkable, hence why we chose the middle, so we could just easily get to all sides. Just remind us both a bit of Koh Lipe here, because it is just lots of nice little paths through along the coast, and with lots of little bars and coffee shops and restaurants along, all really nice. Just got a nice relaxed vibe. What we've seen in the first couple of hours, and there's no motorised vehicles, so it's either horse-drawn carts or electric mopeds.
Which we did hear bad things about the horse-drawn carts, but actually the three that I've seen, the horses looked okay.
They've all looked happy enough, yeah.
Well, I don't know if they were happy.
As happy as horses ever look. Assuming all these places get much busier later, because they're all kind of setting out their seats, obviously, for sunset. Well, I thought we were kind of northeast facing as we come around here, but I guess you can probably still get a bit of...
Right there.
Well, it is, but I think west is over there somewhere.
It's going to be just behind the island.
Maybe. We'll see where we are at sunset and work it out. But really nice, all the bars along here are lovely again. I suppose I've got to be to compete. So we're getting closer to busy places and more touristy. This was the bar that ChatGPT recommended for sunset. Unfortunately, there was no sunset, but I suppose we can blame the bar for that. And the cocktails are good. And they cost $50, which is, I don't know, £2.30.
Cheapest we've seen.
It's the cheapest we've seen, just in happy hour, and they are nice. And we had a nice guacamole. So yeah, it's been quite nice, despite the lack of, well, there's a slight orange tinge. Okay, it's been raining this morning and overnight, so we've come out for breakfast, and looks like lots of other people had the same idea in this place. Nice little one, lots of nice little ones, but it's pretty good. 85,000.
3 pieces or 5 pieces for £130.
Okay. We didn't have breakfast there. Jan rejected that place because she felt the portion sizes would not be big enough and I'd still be grumpy.
Tiny. The fruit was like this big.
An egg cup of fruit.
It was an egg cup of fruit, and you would have paid money, and then you'd have been hungry, and then you'd have been moaning. So it was self-preservation to have the moaning now before you've eaten, rather than moaning after you've eaten.
We've already done a tour of a third of the island. It looks like we're doing a full circuit again, and we'll end up back by our hotel probably. There's a little place just there that looked quite nice. It'll be lunch by the time we get to breakfast. Well, probably your plan.
Be brunch. Be better for you.
Made it somewhere for breakfast at last. Nice spot, to be fair. Ugem bar. Ugem. Yeah, anyway. Very nice. So, gone for smoothie bowl. Jan's gone for avocado egg on toast.
Smart avocado and poached egg.
There you go. And it's only 10 to 11. There we go. Breakfast at last.
Thank you.
Thanks. Looks pretty
really
good.
nice.
Decent sized portions. My smoothie bowl's lovely, as is my iced latte.
Oh, and the horses are off.
And the horses are on something today. It's shallow for a long way out. You can see how far out I am. And it's still just above my knees. So yeah, quite a walk at a low tide to get out to where you can snorkel. You can see there even, still very shallow. But meant to be a good spot for turtles, so we'll see. weren't bothered by us. As you can see, people are quite close, and they just potter about, come up when they need to, and if they wanted to have a bit of peace, a couple of flicks of their fins and they were long gone. Occasionally it got quite busy when a boatload of snorkelers came along, but most of the time it was just the two of us and we could just potter about looking at all the fish, but mainly the turtles. You could see how powerful their jaws were, chomping away on the coral, and he just kept a little eye on us as we were watching him. But interesting watching all the other little fish circling around him and picking up the bits that he drops. Skipped continents, we've just gone European for food tonight and come to Santorini. Okay, we haven't switched continents, we're still in Indonesia, still on Gili Air, but we fancied this restaurant when we walked past the other day, Santorini, and it does look just like a little Greek restaurant. Really nice. And we've both gone for the mixed gyros plate because it sounded good and it looks pretty good. Okay, very authentic. Santorini, really nicely done. Definitely a place where people come out and have a few drinks and eat early because it's just gone 9 and it's pretty dead. But looks like most people come out for sunset drinks and then eat straight after, and then that's it. Okay, Jan's massacring a coconut.
I'm trying, it's failing.
But it is a good one. Lots in it.
Yeah.
Oh! That's good, yeah. Some useful information boards in the middle of the island. We had wandered about the cat's tails, and this showed us how to tell one turtle from the other. The puffer fish we saw, or porcupine fish. and Jan reckons she saw one of these this morning. There you go, we're sat looking at Gili Air, which is where we're going to tomorrow. So we'll probably be sat over there tomorrow looking back over it. Hope the boat doesn't cost much because you could probably swim it in 10 minutes. I've been told off for sitting in the wrong place. Sunset's a little bit around the corner, but it's not a brilliant one. Suddenly gone quite spectacular. Did have it to ourselves, but everyone's just realised that there's a pretty cool sunset. A bit weird in the middle of Gili Air. There's a paddle court. The road up the middle was very quiet at 7 o'clock.
It was busy on the beach.
It was busy on the beach. Well, I think because the place we're in had live music, which was good, but yeah, these ones seem very quiet.
Ooh, pearls.
Jan spotted pearls, oh dear.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just polished off our souvlaki. Jan had cork-eye chicken and some pitta and tzatziki and some French fries we really didn't need. But Jan's eyes were bigger than her stomach. It was your fault for making us walk another 20 minutes. Anyway, nice little place, La Poutine, right in the middle. But yeah, really nice, lovely little place.